now I know we're monitoring some potential storms.
We are indeed. So early tomorrow morning, those storms are going to move in. Our northern counties perhaps a little bit earlier, maybe right around the time the sun is starting to come up, maybe like 5 a.m. for far northwestern Tennessee and northeast Arkansas, and then that should be down around the I-40 corridor right around 7 a.m. or so. You always kind of got to give or take an hour, but right around then, probably the time that you're getting up, getting ready for work, the storms are going to be moving in. Here's a live look outside. Everything looking pretty good right now. There's the I-40 bridge currently lit up, so that's always a really pretty image this time of night. Temperatures now in the 70s. If you're in Memphis, 78 degrees, Blytheville 81. But because of the humidity, there's still a bit of a heat index factor. It feels like 81 in Memphis. It feels like 86 in Blytheville. It feels like 82 in Jackson. South winds are still coming in at about 10 miles an hour or so. And so that's what's brought in the warm temperatures and the high humidity over the last day or two. There's a little frontal system to the north of us. It's the one we mentioned earlier. Still a number of tornado warnings here right on the Tennessee, or that's going to be the Kentucky-Indiana border. And a number of tornadoes went through southern Illinois today, right sort of in this area, sort of your Effingham, sort of down into your Mount Vernon area, and really was a regional tornado outbreak. Now that same system is what's going to push in overnight. The cold front behind that is going to dive down to the south. But the threat for us in terms of severe weather is not really going to be tornadic. It's going to be more of just the chance of some straight line winds that could be strong, possibly even a little bit of hail in there. But I think generally speaking, it's going to be wind that's the main threat. Some very light showers happening along the delta here, but otherwise we're very quiet area wide. Here's a look at the next couple of hours. 3:30 a.m. It's still kind of holding off, but then once we get sort of into that 4, 5 a.m. Time frame, areas up to the north, certainly Dyersburg, Blytheville, up there in Dyer County, the Boot Heel of Missouri, parts of Mississippi County, you're going to see the storms move in. And then that'll move down into the I-40 corridor right around 7 or so a.m. So that's when it should move into the Memphis metro. The good thing is for the Memphis metro is that with southward extent, the severe weather threat is going to be less. So it's those northern counties that are going to have the highest threat of severe storms. And then as it goes south from there, it should become a little bit weaker and a little bit more disorganized. And then we could even possibly see a couple of thunderstorms redevelop in the afternoon. But once that initial wave comes through early in the morning, the rain may last until about noon or so, early afternoon. Then we'll get a bit of a break. Then we might see a couple more thunderstorms develop. Here's a look at your risk areas. The slight risk, 2 out of 5, going to be up to the north there. That's going to include Dyersburg. It's going to include the very far northern part of Lauderdale County, Poinsett County, and yeah, just generally far northeast Arkansas and northwest Tennessee, and then just that marginal risk as you get a little bit far south from there. But it's definitely going to be some heavy rain on the way to work tomorrow, on the way to, or I guess school's probably out for folks, but on the way to work tomorrow. Definitely going to be a wet one, so be careful on the roads. And then the rain chances stay with us for the first half of the week, but they become a little bit more isolated and widely scattered. Temperatures also going to be fairly mild the next couple of days thanks to that rain and that front moving in, so we're actually looking at mid-80s for the most part through Wednesday. And then by next weekend, the 90s are going to return. And then in the long run, 6 to 10 days, temperatures trending warmer than normal. Here's a look at that on your 10-day forecast. We go from the 80s and then eventually to the 90s as we get into the next weekend and next week. But for the better part of the next 5, 6 days, temperatures will be reasonable for this time of year. Just got to watch out for those storms overnight.
You'll be monitoring, and they will tomorrow in daybreak.
For sure.
Max, thanks. Still to come, the Memphis Red